Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Hi guys, it's another really hot day today. Sorry about the noise, there's a little bit of work going on. But as you can see, Benidorm Beach is heaving. And yesterday we had temperatures upwards of 38. Sorry guys, as I was saying, yesterday we had temperatures upwards of 38. Don't know what the temperature is today, but pretty hot again, I should imagine. And Benidorm Beach is heaving, guys. Are you here in Benidorm at the moment? How are you coping with the heat? Is it getting too much now? It's every day, we haven't really had a cool day, a break from it. Even when it said it's cooler, it's still been incredibly humid, which makes you sweat just as much. So there's no real escape from it. So places are quite busy as well. As you can see, we've got pedalos. And of course we've got the big inflatable park out at sea. I'm going to have to talk a bit louder because somebody's singing and I don't really want to be copyrighted. So there's lots of blue brollies and blue sunbeds out on the beach up on this end. And as I said, we have got the inflatable park out at sea, which not sure how much that is, to be quite honest. If anybody knows, please can you drop a link down below, a comment, sorry, down below. Of course, got the more colourful sunbeds here. Everybody's enjoying the sun. So I hope everybody's having a great day today and you've all got great weather wherever you are. Please let me know. So we got 5 guys there as well. Looking a bit quiet. Penelope Beach Club and the Guinness bar there. And then we've got the Heartbreak. Sorry guys, again the gimbal's playing up. So, don't know what's going on with it, it just suddenly drops off to the side for no reason. Groups of people on the beach as well, all sat round together, enjoying the weather. So I think we're gonna try and turn off in a minute. Hotel inside there, Costa Blanca. So we're just gonna turn off here. Gracias.